Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on Display and Brightness. Now scroll down again, click on Font Style and tap on the best one for you, in my case Classic Fonts. Then hit Apply and wait. So when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. But you can always access Themes app instead. Click on Free Font section in Recommended category and select one of those, like for example Sea of Orange. Now to get it, tap on Download at the bottom. And to set it up, tap on Apply. You can also apply it from previous settings. As you can see, my font changed again. If you want to go back to your default one, just access Display and Brightness again. Click on Font Style and tap on Default. Then tap on Apply one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!